Hello, welcome to a Red Adventure with Ellie video. So today I'm going to go do a bit of shopping for Ellie. There's a new store open in my local shopping centre called Kenji, where they have lots of like Japanese style products. So I'm going to see what's in there and maybe buy a few little bits and bobs. And then I'm going to have a look in the pet store that's there, just see what animals are around. I'm not going to buy anything, just to have a little nosy around. And I think I'm going to go back and wash Ellie and put the few whatever I buy into Ellie, give her a bit of a clean up, might give her a quick hoover around. So let's see what happens today. I think if I go a little bit of a wash this morning. Some cute little bird. Really cool rainbow one, look at this one. You can see him properly. Rats. Cute hamster. And a really big rabbit. I think I'd like to get a little bird at some point. Super cool. Some of the fish.
Absolutely freaks them out. Yeah, I think there might be a few. One of my favourite cats. I mean, I like this one down here because it's colour. And now it is, but I like the one here. They're all in the Texas rabbit. Nice goldfish pond.
Okay, so I'm back. I've been shopping. Most of this is from Kenji, but not all of it. But let's see what we got. So I bought myself. This is from Primark. This is all for Ellie, or Japanese themed, most of it anyway. That's a Japanese t-shirt. I also got I call this Lucky Cat cushion cover for my bed in Ellie. Pretty cool. There's a lot of Lucky Cat themed stuff because I kind of themed Ellie on Lucky Cat. I got a Lucky Cat notebook, just a standard notebook. I got another Lucky Cat notebook. I was going to have one to keep in the van and one for work. I got... There's a keyring, Lucky Cat. And one of these charm things which I'm either going to put on the gear stick or off the wing mirror. I'll decide in a bit. Let's have one back. I also got... This is pretty cool. Lucky Cat mat. I'm going to try those out. If they fit, I might put a few more of those on the floor in Ellie. I also got another mat, a different one. Which is also pretty cool. These were just £1, so it's just a Japanese fan. Just put in there somewhere. So that's all like the stuff I got from the Kenji store. I want to get my bed permanently set up in there, in the van. So I've got a new duvet. I have the undersheet for the bed. I have that's a cushion cover for the. Sorry, that's the cushion, the pillow for the cushion cover. I've got a duvet set for the duvet. And that's the undersheet. So that was my little haul today. If you have one of these local to you, a Kenji store, I really recommend you go if you're into your Japanese or anime or anything like that. It just feels like you're just walking into a Japanese store. Just everything's all Japanese branded. You've got like a little mini supermarket section with sweets and crisps and stuff like that, and drinks, as well as you've got your home stuff. You've got teapots, you've got things like incense sticks, you've got floor mats, t-shirts, all different plushes and accessories and things like that. So if you're into Japanese stuff, I recommend having a look around. It's good fun, although it could be very expensive for me now. There's one local. Right, I'm going to start by hoovering out Ellie. I'm just hoping there's enough charge in my Shark to do it, because I haven't charged it. So I think it's on the last bar. So hopefully there's enough power to just quickly go around. So here's my little JDM lineup. Me go, me Type R, and me Ellie. The one thing that's annoying about having the white cars, like, is the flies are attracted to it. Always covered in flies, annoying. But let's open her up. Ta-da. So yeah, last used for the Western Supermare beach race, so it could do with a good hoover now. What you're going to do now, if all the side steps need a good hoover. So that's the next job. I'm just watching a bit of True Blue Campers while I'm working. These guys are converting a old Sainsbury's delivery van into a motorhome. It's a pretty cool little project, or should I say a pretty big project. Okay, so I've got the bed mount up now, and I love my cushion, Lucky Cat cushion, awesome. Kind of here, I've got my Lucky Mat. No, it's not Lucky Cat, it's Dojo Cat, I think it's called. Dojo Dog. Floor mat. Then you come into the, excuse me, stand there. Come into the driver's side or passenger side. We have a Lucky Cat floor mat. Got my book on there. Obviously, you've seen some of the other accessories I've got, and I've got my new charm on the gear stick. We'll look at there. Oh, and I put that. You can't really see it there because the seats are this way around. But I put that fan there. So yeah, looking good. Also got the new Lucky Cat on my keys as well. I'm just going to take Ellie for a quick wash. She's not too bad, she's just a bit dusty, but I've got to go get some fuel anyway, so I might as well just give her a quick wash over while I'm there. It's just been washed, put some fuel in. I'm back now and just trying to polish this front grille. They're a nightmare to keep clean, but I'm using this Mother's Chrome Polish California Gold. Works quite well. Been using it on the headlights as well, and it works quite well on the headlights. Quite good stuff. So that's my bed now, with it all lit up on the night. It looks really nice. It's looking really cool in here now. Look at that. Kitty mat. It's looking cool. Really cool, really cool. Thank you for joining me today. I know it's something a little bit different, but I hope you enjoyed it all the same. I have got a few more events that I have got planned before the end of the year, so there's a couple of things to look forward to. But all I ask, if you watch my videos, please, please, please subscribe. They're going to help me out, and I want you to join me on some more adventures with Ellie. So this is going to be the end of this video for today, because it's starting to get dark now, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.